What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Zeduhow series. I'm your host, the jolliest of developers, and in today's episode, we're going to be looking at what it takes to create a Wix website. The first thing you're going to notice is that Wix is not a coding tool. Now they have different features, and that's what we're going to look at, and we're going to tell you what option to sign up with. We're going to have an overview of the features and what it is like to use Wix, and then in the next episodes, we're going to go through and build a professional landing page, and we're also going to build a professional personal website, and we're going to pretty much look at what it takes to build a website. So the first thing, as you can see, is the best place to create a website you want. So the first thing that you have to note is that with Wix, you have three different options. You have the Wix Adi. If you want to get a quick website, you don't have to worry about design or anything like that. Use this. This is the world's first artificial design intelligence built by Wix. Basically, it's an artificial intelligence software that actually allows you just to fill in content with some couple of questions. It can design a website to your liking. However, you'll have little control over the website, only its content. And the Wix editor is total design freedom. This is what I like to use, especially when you're beginning to build websites. I highly recommend using this, because here you can really choose what features you like. You can really dive in and get really dirty inside the editor. And this is what I like to do. And if you're following this series to build a website, then we're going to go with the Wix editor. And then maybe we might even have a future series called Wix Code, Creation Without Limits, get advanced capabilities with the design features and all that type of stuff using Wix Code. With Wix Code, you can create amazing technical websites without having to worry about servers and all that type of stuff. So yeah, let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the Wix editor. You can find this by scrolling down. As you can see right now, it just gives you some options. It shows you an example email. For everybody, it's different. And let me just go ahead and fill one in. Alright, and now it's going to ask you that you are not a robot. I am not a robot. As you can see, it's going to ask you to do some basic questions. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, a couple more bicycle pictures, and then we'll go through this part. So now I can log in. As you can see right now, the Jolly Developer, so I think I'm just going to sign in with Google. So first thing it's going to do is just ask you some questions. So quickly just click on sign in with Google. As you can see, now it added me in, and I am going to go to the next step. It's going to ask me to create a website. First thing you have to choose is what type of a business you are: the online store, photography, music, designer, restaurants, and all that type of stuff. I'm just going to choose one that I think will work best for this one. We're going to build a quick website with a little bit of an online store. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to go with Wix Adi or create a website with the Wix editor? I'm going to choose the Wix editor. And next is to choose a template. You can always go back and change the templates. I'm just going to scroll through and see one that I think will work best. I'm actually going to go down to here where it says design, because in this series what we're going to do is we're pretty much going to look at what it takes to build a little comic book website. So I'm just going to go and have a look at the templates that I think will work best. Let's see. I think the website that might work the best is going to be, I would say maybe this one. Now, as you can see, I'm just going to view it quickly. Let's have a look at it. It's a little bit too clean for me, a little bit too much modern. Let me check this other website out here. You want to go with something that you think suits your personality. I really like this one, how it's structured together. It makes it look more like a comic-ish style. I really like how they have the menu done here. It is really well done. I think I'm going to go with something like this. So yeah, I'm just going to click on edit this website. Give it a couple of more seconds. Let it load up. And until this is doing, this will actually load up the entire editor. So let this be done. So as you can see, this is what this series was about. This is a series where we learned about how to set up a Wix account and how to choose a template and also how to get ready for this tutorial. So if you followed these steps, you're now ready to take on the tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're new. If you want access to show notes, quick guides, and helpful articles, make sure to join our Discord server. This allows us to share quicker and better guides and also build a helpful community. Thank you so much, and see you in the next episode.